Well, I don't know what happened, but I turned this thing on. It just went all dark kind of under here. So I apologize, but I don't know why my lights, like it stays dark, but I'm going to have to move this around. But anyways, hey, I thought it'd be neat if you reviewed some ores by yourself, see how it's going. So we'll start the class with this. Now, if you want to watch it again some other time, you can. But here we go. So here's the first row. Write this down, and then I'm going to move this to show you another one over here. Then you can turn the thing off, and then do them, and then turn it back on and see what's going on. So here, wee doinkers. So those are the three problems. So this one. Now again, I want all the numbers bigger than 6 or bigger than 10. Now, if you want to draw the three graphs, you can. Some people are really good at this, just looking at it and say, oh, this has to be the final graph. If that's not you, hey, that's okay. So those are the two graphs, bigger than 10 and bigger than 6. I don't know what. Oh, I guess as it get closer, well, that's not really much better, but okay, good. So, okay. Now, wherever there's shading, that's the key to OR. I see shading, there it goes. So, everything bigger than 6. But notice everything bigger than 6 takes care of this. So that's my answer for this problem. If it's going in the same direction, it's the longer one. Now the next one, here's less than 6. Whee. And here's greater than 10. Whee. So, wherever there's shading, bring it down. Here's 6. Whee. Here's 10. Whee. So it's got a space in the middle, so those are not answers. Here's all the answers. Less than 6. 5 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. 11 is greater than 10. So it all works out. And here we go. Here's less than 10. Let's see, can I move it and make it? There we go. We'll bring it over here. That's a little bit brighter. Okay, then I have greater than 6, so I kind of drew this poorly. Here's 6. Whee! So notice everything is shaded. So the final answer would be, hey, all the ones this way, woohoo. All the ones this way, woohoo. So it's everything. So you'd say all reals. Now, this is irritating me. Woohoo, earthquake, ah! That thing froze up. I apologize. I didn't know that would happen. Fake earthquake causes problems. So why don't we do this? Write these two problems down and do them. Then I'll do them. And then I'll move this over so you can do those two. Okie dokie, okie doke. Okay, good. So here, divide both sides by 5. So x is greater than 4. This one adds 6. So that would be a negative x is greater than 16. Then take the opposite of both sides. So x is less than negative 16. So the graph here is greater than 4. Here is less than negative 16. So it's going in opposite directions, does not overlap. So your final graph would be negative 16. Whee! 4. Whee! Okay, let's look at this one. So I'm going to subtract x. So 3x minus 8 is greater than negative 2. Add 8 to both sides. So 3x is greater than 6. Divide by 3. X is greater than 2. This one, multiply both sides by the reciprocal, which is 4/3. So 3 goes into 9 3 times 4 is 12. So I have greater than 2 or greater than 12. Now again, if you can see the final answer, put her down. But I'll draw both just for fun. So here's greater than 2, here's greater than 12. Here's greater than 12, here's greater than 2. So or is always the longer one if it's going in the same direction. Always. Whee! Then the last two I want you to try, and then we'll get going in class. Oh, I know you're excited about it. Okay, those two problems. Go ahead, turn me off, and then do them. Okay, wow, that was quick. So I'm going to multiply both sides by -2. So whenever you multiply by negative, you switch the inequality. So x is less than or equal to 20. And this one, distribute the 5x minus 10 is less than 20. So add 10 to both sides. 5x is less than 30. Divide both sides by 5. So I have less than or equal to 20. And, oops, I lost the equals here. There we go. Less than or equal to 6. So here's less than or equal to 20. Less than or equal to 6. Now it's always the longer one for her because this takes care of this. So my final answer is everything less than 20. Now this one, I'm going to subtract 6. So negative 6x is greater than negative 18. Divide by negative 6. X is less than 3. So here multiply both sides by -3. So x is greater than 18. So I'm going to go to the final graph. So I want, let's see, sorry about that. So here's less than 3. Whee! And here's greater than 18. Whee! So hopefully you did pretty well. We're going to be going on to Ann. And all I have to say is, thank you for being part of my class. Oh, brought a tear to my eye. Have a good day.